In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Wtools. Wtools is a Wolfmix dedicated app available for PC or Mac. Now, Wtools is not required to run your Wolfmix. However, it does contain a toolbox of handy features that you're definitely going to want to know about. So a lot of these features we do cover in other videos, so we won't be going into too much depth in this video, but we'll give a general overview of exactly what is available within the software. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you open Wtools is to sign in. So as you can see, I'm already signed in up here, but this is important because it means that I'll have access to my backed up files, which are all kept securely in the cloud. So we're currently in the live screen where we have a few different options. First of all, we have the beat sync options. So this means we can enable Ableton Link or OS2L, which will allow us to synchronize our Wolfmix's tempo with an external software, such as a DJ software or a DAW. So we cover more about this in the synchronizing with music video, so be sure to check that out for some more information. Below that, we have the Easy View button here, which is going to enable the 3D link. So this will allow you to control the 3D visualiser software, which can be downloaded from our website. And again, we have a separate tutorial for this. Into the projects screen. This will allow us to manage the projects that are not only stored directly on our Wolfmix, but also on the cloud. So we can see up here all of the different projects we currently have loaded onto our Wolfmix. And then below that, we have our projects stored in the cloud. Anything that we want to back up to the cloud, we can press the button here. Any project that we want to take from the cloud and load to our Wolfmix, we can press the Send to Wolfmix button. We can also import a file manually or back up all of our projects from the Wolfmix to our cloud account. In the fixture screen, we can manage exactly what fixtures we have loaded onto our Wolfmix. So we can scroll through the different brands or use the search bar at the top. Now, any fixture that we don't have loaded onto the Wolfmix already will appear grey, and we can just press Send to Wolfmix to add it to our Wolfmix. We can click on any fixture and we can remove it from our Wolfmix, like so. Within the settings screen, we can manage our add-ons, so we can purchase extra universes or the 3D Link or W-Link licenses. We can update our firmware to make sure that we always have access to the latest features. And we also have some more general settings over here, which are all fairly self-explanatory. Okay, there we go. And that is a brief overview of Wtools.